finished up my lunch and I have my first illustration project in probably years, and I'm really excited. I'm not getting like compensated for it or anything, but it's something that is going to be taking place in Mexico City, so I'm really excited about it. So I think I'm gonna start it and just do the sketches. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of rendering or anything. I'm just gonna get sketches done so that way at least I have my idea, and then when I come back to it in a few days I can get to actually rendering the illustration and it won't be as daunting and it'll be easier for me to pick up. Before we continue, I wanted to talk about our sponsor, which is Liene. If you don't know who Liene is a company that sells different printer products, and they were kind enough to send me their new PixCut S1, which happens to be the world's first printing and cutting machine all in one for home use, which is really, really cool. If you have made stickers like I have, you know that making them at home can be a little bit tricky because of needing to have a printer and then a separate cutting machine, and that's a whole setup. But the PixCut S1 does both of those things all in one go. It supports photo paper and sticker paper, and it prints a really high quality at the minimum 300 DPI, which is always a plus. Other features that are really cool are it actually connects Bluetooth wirelessly, so there's no need to deal with any sort of wires when sending your projects to this machine. There's also automatic lamination on your paper if you are making stickers, which makes the stickers a lot more durable, which I feel like is important and kind of difficult to achieve when you're making stickers at home. Because of the Bluetooth connectivity, Liene actually has a user-friendly app where you can set up all of your projects and send them to print to your PixCut S1. That is what I do. I have it on my iPad because it's just more convenient to get my artwork on there. And of course, there's so many other things that you can make with a printing and cutting machine. You can make photo ID cards, you can make phone decals, you can make labels for organizing your stuff. If you're interested in the Liene PixCut S1, you can head to the link below and you can use my code for 20% off. Now let's get back to the video.
Then started fighting another person, so he got sent to the prison little, and then another person right when they made a goal, and then the U.S. beat them 3-1.
White. Red. Yellow oxide. Cadfree yellow. Ultramarine blue. This is my next and third painting for my painting class this semester, and I've been having a lot of fun doing it. We finally got an assignment to do a portrait, and if you are a watcher of my channel, you know I love me a good portrait. Portraiture is definitely my favorite thing to draw and to paint, so I'm working on this piece. It's from a picture that I took of my partner, and I will be doing some additions to it and such. You guys will see later on in the video. I add some fish in the back, and with how it's looking right now, I am really, really loving it. I especially love the like more pinkish neon underpainting that I did underneath of it, and I also chose to leave the wood pretty exposed for the background, and as the painting develops you guys will see that a lot of the wood is left exposed, and I don't normally do that. So yeah, I feel like I tried some new stuff with this painting and I'm just loving how it's turning out. I'm gonna make a few stickers from things that I actually created in real life, and the first thing is gonna be a scan of this little fish guy, and scans never really do artwork justice, at least not the scanner that I have, so it is a little bit intensive to get this guy ready for a sticker. But I'm just using the selection tool to get this guy out. And then I'm going to click that circle. Now my area is selected, and then I'm just going to click copy and paste. now I have him cut out and now I can work on him. The skin of this fish actually didn't end up too bad, but first thing I'm gonna do is adjust the saturation, make it more saturated. See, that's already looking better. And then I'm gonna pick, because he was made with markers, I'm gonna pick a marker brush. I really like this Retro Supply Company flat brush marker, and I know that this area in real life was like a neon orange. So I'm gonna try to replicate that. Digitally. So I'm gonna turn down the opacity a bit. But yeah, I'm just doing some touch-ups to the colors on here. Over here, it got a little bit blurry. So I'm just gonna like go over it. Now to really clean it up, I am going to draw in the border because of the sticker manufacturer that I use. I am actually able to do that, so I'm gonna get my border behind the fish ready. And now on top of it, I'm gonna go over with the same color.
She's so cute when she laughs. You gotta be kidding. You don't look the same age as me. You can't be 20. I mean, the one who sent you high school.
I have not checked in a bit, and then I wonder why I don't have enough footage for videos, and it's because I always forget to check in. I'm always filming myself doing something and then I never talk. But hello. Yesterday you guys saw me working on this guy. It's a little like felt artwork, I guess, because I mean you guys saw, if you watched my last vlog, I have been making felt pins, so I've been exploring that, and I've been exploring embroidery again because it's been many years since I've done that. And I had this idea of just like, I want to make a felt artwork so that I can scan it and make it into a print. I thought that would be really cute. I have this that I'm gonna work on today, and then honestly this is really it. I just have this, and then I have to work on my painting for my painting class. I really want to get basically almost done with that painting today, so gonna do this, gonna work on that painting, and then tomorrow you guys will see me with my friend. Basically they're gonna teach me how to screen print, and we're gonna prep some screens in order to screen print some of my designs onto t-shirts. You can talk if you want.
Hey chat, what's going on? Welcome to Paloma's stream. Okay.
Maybe.
So I'm gonna keep it low. And then you can like touch it to like make sure it's dry. So you're gonna... Is that the orientation of the fish? It's not the other way around?
Oh, this is the side that we're...
Oh wait, so the opposite side
Yeah,
will face
right?
up. Yeah,
Okay.
you're right. I was testing it. Okay, and you can start now. And we'll see, we'll go outside and power wash.
Okay. Here?
Okay.